Okay, so I'm just going to do this quick video on how to remove the lower windscreen moulding, which is the chrome trim around the bottom of the windscreen. So the first step is to remove this rubber seal, and then down the bottom you'll see a small screw right where my right index finger is pointing. And it's a bit hard to see, but this is the inside view, and you'll need to do this on the other side as well. Okay, so I've skipped ahead a bit here, but this is with the moulding removed, and I'm just going to show you how these clips work. So it's got these two little tabs there, which need to be pressed apart to get the other piece of the clip out, which is should be located inside the moulding itself. Okay, so here we are removing it. So basically you need to press back towards the back of the car and push up with your thumbs as well. Some of them can be quite tricky, so yeah, basically you just press towards the back of the vehicle and press up at the same time. It should enable you to lift the moulding apart up, and it's in two pieces as you can see, so that slides, one piece slides into the other, so basically just slide it away from the other one to get it apart. Some of the clips here you can see came out of the moulding, so you just got to wriggle them back and forth to get them up and out. And here's one here, and you'll notice on one side it has corrugations which enable it to grip into the other piece and hold it in place. Now if you find any of these base clips that are broken, I've done another video on how to remove and replace them, so check out my channel for that. Okay, so this is removing the other side of the moulding. So same again, you want to push towards the rear of the vehicle and lift it up at the same time with your thumbs, and you should be able to work out from looking at your own vehicle or from the close-ups of the clips in this video how the two parts meet together and hold in place and how they come apart. But basically, yeah, as I've described, fairly straightforward. And if any of the clips don't come apart, it's pretty straightforward to get them out. As you've seen earlier in the video, you just wriggle them back and forth if need be. And yeah, better to have them like that than have them broken. They're easily reinserted back into the moulding. Then it's just a matter of lining them up. When you go to reinsert the moulding, line them up and just basically press it back in.